A house is a structure, solid, safe and convenient. A home, however, is something much, much more. And you'll see when you step through this beauty here on Ridgeway Street, she is exactly that. A home that has been thoughtfully considered with a sense of fun over the years. On arrival, you first notice the quiet and peaceful positioning of this home that also leaves plenty of room for multiple cars, trailer or caravan. It's also hard to not notice the modern shutters and the choice of beautiful travertine tiles. This stylish open plan design is perfect for the entertainer and the family that loves to watch the kids enjoy pool time while completing all the kitchen necessities. This really is a stunning area and a beautiful space all year round. You won't be short on space with an office located at the front of the home and in addition to the bedrooms already located at the rear. There is so much living potential here and you'll love each little nook and area, whether it's the sunken and private courtyard, low maintenance yard with herb garden and plenty of scope for downstairs and out the front. And if that isn't enough to offer, you are walking distance to some of Brisbane's best bushwalking tracks. My name is Kathleen Luck and we would love to show you this beautiful home here in the Gap. Please contact myself or one of our team members for the upcoming private viewing times.